2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Mixture rich. Prop high. Go ahead, crank it up. Crank it up.
Let me turn it on. And we're rolling.
Yes, sir. Crank it up. When she starts, let's go. Let's do it. Go. Keep going.
Second.
Keep going.
There you go.
Oh, she's cold.
She's cold. She's cold.
She's cold. Okay, she's coming alive.
Alright.
Okay, she's coming alive. Oil pressure is on the green. She's coming alive, nice and easy. Oil pressure's on the green. Auxiliary pump off. Lights as required. Mixture as required. Oh, that baby's cold. Come on, baby, wake up, baby. Okay.
There you go.
Up she's going. Okay, let's keep her happy for a little bit.
You got Hobbs?
Alright, let's see. Hobbs, start. What you got?
A few minutes to 4. 3:58.
Alright, you handle that checklist. I'll take care of the other stuff.
Exterior we done. Interior passenger. Oh, I didn't put on my seatbelt.
Put on your seatbelt. I got your brakes. Oh, we're gonna see the sunset, man.
Where the heck is the seatbelt? Let me go back.
Okay.
Sneer, sneer. How are your seatbelt? Alright, seatbelt on. Continue. Avionics. Beacon on, master on. Brakes.
I got
Haters, we didn't get...
Alright.
לקחת את זה, we didn't get ATIS. Nice.
It is 2665 right there.
2665, let's get the
That's it.
altimeter. Let's get the altimeter.
Public Airport, information Bravo, time 2053 Zulu, wind 290 at 12, visibility 10, sky conditions feeling 6000 broken, temperature 10, dew point -02, altimeter 2989er. Visual approach and use, landing, departing, runway 32. Notice the airman, obstruction tower light out of service, 0.9 nautical miles south, Southwest Republic Airport 168, MSL 109 AGL. IFR departure, the right ground, become a taxi that you are IFR, read back all runway hold short instructions, read back all runway assignments, read back all altitude assignments. Advise Republic Tower and initial contact that you have information, Bravo.
Bravo!
Bravo it is.
Let's do Bravo.
Bravo it is. Let's go.
You got it.
Public Airport, information Bravo, time 2053 Zulu, wind 290 at 12, visibility 10, sky conditions feeling 6000 broken, temperature 10, dew point -02, altimeter 2989er. Visual approach and use, landing, departing, runway 32.
Public ground, Skywagon 1 Romeo Mike, get Echo ramp information, Bravo, ready to taxi, would like to stay in the pattern for full stop landing. Clear it.
Clear left. I should have put another pillow. As a matter of fact, maybe I should put it in before.
Want another pillow?
Yeah. Can't see the
Okay, my controls?
Your controls.
Go get your pillow back there. I got it. Relax. I got the controls. Relax.
Alright.
I'm waiting for tackle clearance. Get your pillow. Get yourself comfy. Go on ground, say again, please. Good evening, ground. Skywagon 1 Romeo Mike at Echo Ramp information. Bravo, ready to taxi. Would like to stay in the traffic pattern for a full stop landing.
Alright, Skywagon 1 Romeo Mike, full stop, taxi back, on request, runway 32, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 1.
Ground at Alpha, clear to cross runway 1, runway 32 for departure. Full stop, taxi back on request, 1 Romeo Mike.
And are you an 80 or 85?
85.
Thank you, sir.
Cessna 180, 85, I asked you?
Woo, yeah. How's the pillow? Better now? Can you see better? You need another pillow.
I should really get another one. What the hell? I never had so many pillows on this thing, did I?
I don't know. You tell me, brother. Want another one? How about you taxi the plane? Power's good. Stay on the brakes. She's good.
All right.
Clear to cross. Runway 1. All the way to the end. I'll get you another pillow.
All right.
I think you may want to take the seat. Well, maybe you're good if you put a pillow here. Let me see. Hold on. Alright. How's that? You see better?
Yeah, better.
Okay, so this is how you want it.
This is what it was. Okay.
That's how it was. Okay. Clear right. Runway 1's clear.
Clear left.
There's her. Looks like wind is kind of dying a little bit. Look at the windsock, you see? It's not as bad.
Still bad.
Before it was like straight up.
Yeah.
Way up there.
Ground, Lear 924 Papa Sierra, we have Alpha Atlantic to taxi, please. Out of Atlantic, say again, please. Lear 924 Papa Sierra to taxi. Lear 924 Papa Sierra, Republic Ground, runway 32, taxi via northbound, runway 1, Golf 3, Alpha. Runway 32, north on runway 1, Golf 3 to Alpha for 4 Papa Sierra.
So we'll hit the sunset today.
That's it. 4 o'clock. Beautiful. They're going to have a cup of coffee over there and wait for us because we're going to have so much fun. We're not going to stop this thing, you know.
Who's going to let them in?
They're going to ring the bell. Yeah, they're going to ring the bell, have a cup of coffee or whatever. What time did they leave Brooklyn?
They left when we called them, or when they called me. How long ago was that?
About half an hour ago. Maybe they're going to hit traffic. You never know.
All right.
Tax check, seatbelt on right.
Yeah.
On the left. Flap set 0. Heat is... Ooh, you're too fast. Get on the brakes. Slow this thing down. You're going to lose it. You're going to lose it. The wind's pushing you like a crazy, crazy push here. Avionics on and set.
Let's do run up over here.
Yes, sir. Altimeter set. Indicating fuel elevation. That's looking good. Indicator set to compass.
Where's the wind coming from?
Radio set. Tax check is on. Excuse me. Tax light is on. Brakes. Test. How's it brakes? Brakes good?
Brakes.
My brakes are good. Attitude indicator indicating left turn and turn coordinator indicating left turn and heading the compass, lining up and turning. And we got the taxi checklist complete.
And we good.
We have 4 Papa Sierra, wind 290-19, gust 23, altimeter 2990.
Gusting to 23 now.
2990.
Gusting to 23, so
Runway 473, taxi from town with information, Bravo.
Down flight 470, Republic Ground, runway 32, taxi via northbound, runway 1, Golf 3, Alpha.
Runway 32 via northbound on runway 1, Golf 3, and then Alpha, town 470.
Okay, where's the, let me get the run up.
Run up, check one ready.
Run up, brakes set. Fuel on both, right?
Fuel is on both.
Fuel's on both. Trim for takeoff. Flight controls.
Set for takeoff.
Flight controls are good. Instruments. Altimeter set. Everything is good. Looking good. Alright, mixture for best power.
Best power?
Best power. 1700 RPMs. Now this is this, right?
RPM is the power because the max,
It's all the way
forward, so you can't increase it more. You got to bump the manifold pressure for the RPM. So you bump the manifold pressure till the RPM goes up to 1700. Right there, perfect.
1700 mags.
All right, check them up.
Left, good.
No, go 2 clicks to the left. Back to both.
That's right. 2 clicks to the left.
No, just don't worry about right, left.
That's good.
2 clicks to the left, back to both.
Back to both.
1 click to the left, back to both. That's the easiest way to do it.
All right, we're good.
Check that jet coming in here. Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow, okay. And oil pressure.
On the green.
On the green. Oil temperature. On the green. Idle check closed.
Throttle back.
Throttle back. What do you want, a 1200?
1200 is perfect.
All right.
What the hell is this?
Let him go first?
Phantom 300, I think. That's what it is. Yeah, let the jet go in first. He's probably just jumped out. That looks like a Phantom 300. Let me see.
You ain't gonna do no run-up, huh?
He's just gonna go.
This is private?
It looks like a private Phantom. 9024 Papa Sierra.
9024 Papa Sierra.
9024 Papa Sierra. Go right behind him if you're ready.
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
He's on the whole short line, okay. Well, now we have a jet. So we gotta wait for the
wake turbulence.
Wake turbulence. All right.
Oh, it's a Learjet.
It's a Learjet.
He's going to Boca Raton, Florida now.
That's where we should be.
That's where we should be. It's going to take him about 2.5 hours. And look, twin engine jet right over the water, straight shot.
Oh, another jet landing.
Good, everything's good. This is 135. 135. Runway heading 32. Towers up.
Runway 620, left turn at Bravo, taxi to the ramp is frequency.
Left at Bravo, ramp to you, travelers are 626 records.
You too, sir, thank you. Avionics.
Final's clear.
All right, I'll call the tower.
Yes,
Did we switch it? Are we on one?
Towers up, staying in the pattern for landing, or you can do the landing. I'll talk to him.
We are 4 Papa Sierra, runway 32, clear for takeoff, and 300 at 14.
I'm on
32.
I'm on 118.
Towers up.
Runway heading 42, 4 Papa Sierra.
All right. Republic Tower. Skywagon, November 1 Romeo Mike, holding short at runway 32 at Alpha. Ready to take off, stay in the pattern for landing. Full stop landing.
Skywagon 1 Romeo Mike, Republic Tower, roger. Caution white turbulence deploying layer 60, wind 29013, gust 23. Make right traffic, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Right traffic, 32, clear for takeoff. 1 Romeo Mike.
Right traffic, clear for takeoff. How's the temperature? Temperature's good, not too cold? Not too cold, right?
Hold short for 70.
So he cleared me for takeoff right after this guy.
Clear 4 Papa Sierra, right turn the front of 4, contact departure. Departure for 4 Papa Sierra.
You're flying a Skywagon. You're going to get airborne in 400 feet. How much runway did he get?
He got a lot of runway.
Forget it. Don't even worry about wake. This would have been a little tiny Piper Tomahawk or 152. I was very worried, but you're driving a 300 horsepower machine.
Gotcha. Are you ready for takeoff?
It's gonna get up in a second.
Are you ready for takeoff?
Yes, sir. Just nice and easy on the power.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy.
That's right. Don't get too crazy on the power, man.
Nice and easy. Woo! Shred. Yeah, you feel the wind.
Feel the wind, huh?
Woo! You feel the wind Alright.
I think he gave us right traffic, didn't he?
Right traffic.
Get that nose up, 100 miles an hour, get that nose up.
I'm ready at 2,000? Holy shit. Holy crap.
Holy mackerel. Alright, let's turn right cross then. What do you think? You're flying at 152? What do you think?
Republic 7, about 28170.
Flying a high performance machine, brother.
Bravo.
Chicago 28170, Republic Tower, ident.
Ident 170.
That nose up. Get that nose up. Look outside. Get that nose right on the horizon.
Chicago 170, report at the National Cemetery. So right down with runway 32.
2,000. I want to get into the traffic.
Cemetery, so right down wind 32 28170.
There you go. Look great and give him a call. Skywagon 1 Romeo Mike, right down 132 for full stop.
Republic Tower, Skywagon November 1 Romeo Mike. And right downwind 32.
Why are you so slow? Brain fart? You're losing it, man. You're losing it. Let's get some notches of flaps here. How about one click? Beautiful. Woo!
That's our runway, Chile.
Yeah, nice sunset today.
Yeah.
And you know what?
70. Town 4
Sun.
on a call and I didn't get an answer.
The camera's got to be on the right facing the sun, so you got to see a beautiful sunset on landing. So we're not going to give up until we see the sunset.
Mike, just continue downwind. I'll call you base. I'm trying to get a release on the jet.
Continue downwind.
Continue downwind 1 Romeo Mike.
Continue the downwind. La, 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 la. Okay, pre-landing, landing lights on, autopilot's on.
It's the error.
What?
What the heck?
You sure 16 gig is something that's going to work for you?
That's the error. What the heck?
It's not recording?
Nope.
Let me see my cam. My cam's got a green and red. We're good. Autopilot's off, seatbelt on, harness on the right, tail wheels on lock, mixture best power fuels on both, and flaps are 10 degrees. Pre-landing checkpoint.
Let me ask you a question.
Talk to me.
It's showing me I'm at 2100. Why are you telling me I'm at 1100?
Oh, that's
Okay.
lower pressure then.
Skywagon runway, Mike, turn your base.
Runway, Mike, turn your base. Turn base.
Now, why I picked up the nose?
Oh, you looked at the altimeter and you had the wrong number in there, and that's why you were off. Okay, no problem. We got it. Turn base.
Turn base. Where's the runway? I can't see the runway.
Runway is way out there. You're good.
Continue turning?
Yeah, you're good. All right, how about another notch of flap? One more click. Beautiful. 20 degrees on retrim. Now you're looking for about 80 miles an hour, all the way down to touchdown. Feet are off the brakes?
Feet off the brakes.
Excellent. See the runway?
Where's the runway?
Right there. See it?
Yeah. Oh, awesome.
Beautiful.
Republic Meridian 22 Charlie X-ray. With information Bravo, we're on a 6-mile left base 432.
Let's slow the bird down, 80 miles an hour, maybe throttle back a little bit. And trim those up.
I'm still at 1,000.
They're looking good.
Republic Meridian 22 Charlie X-ray.
And they're calling tower unreadable.
Meridian 22 Charlie X-ray, any better?
Okay, with something with an X-ray.
I can hear him. I don't know what's wrong with
Town
this.
470, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 32, Town 470.
Too low?
Okay, too low. Nose up.
Skywagon 1 Romeo, Mike, caution wake turbulence, departing Gulfstream, runway 32, clear to land, wind 29016, gust 23.
Clear to land, use caution. 3-2.
Clear to land, use caution. 3-2, 1 Romeo Mike.
Nose up. You're too low.
Republic Tower Meridian 22 Charlie X-ray. 4 mile left base for 32.
Okay, you're 600 feet. You're good.
Meridian 229er X-ray.
22 Charlie X-ray, sir.
Final check.
22 Charlie X-ray. Okay, transmission is very
Mixture
weak,
rich.
barely readable. Do you have another radio?
Tops high, 80 miles an hour. Landing checks complete.
This is the radio we initially tried, sir. Is this any better?
Slightly. So what's the type of aircraft?
We're Papa Meridian, Papa 46 Tango, and we're just turning about a 4-mile final for 32.
Oh, look at that sunset. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, 9 Charlie X-ray. Roger, you shouldn't turn...
Take my pillow out if you don't mind.
No pillow?
I don't know.
No pillow, you got it. Pillow.
I guess when it's level, I'm good.
You have
Okay, as long as you see where you're going.
We have information, Bravo. We were just released by New York, sorry.
Okay, so you remain outside class Delta. So 9 Charlie X-ray, what's your airspeed?
Well, 140 right now. We can slow to whatever you want.
Alright, 9 Charlie X-ray, you're following a Cessna Skywag as much as feasible.
Looking good, just keep coming down.
Okay,
Two reds, 2 whites, all the way down. Landing check complete, final checks complete.
Order pressure, thanks for your help, Ground 470. Republic Tower, Tobago 28170, reporting right downwind 432.
Tobago 170, number 3, traffic is a Malibu that's on a 2-mile final.
Looking for traffic number 3, 28170.
Try not to over-control, just kind of, yeah, it's like you're high, you're low, you see you're over-controlling, because I'm 2,000 RPM. It's okay, power's good, speed's good, power's good. A little bit of crosswinds on the left, you're looking good.
Malibu 9 Charlie X-ray, expect late landing clearance to be departure for X-ray.
Disgusting, keep coming down, keep coming down. Keep coming down, keep coming down.
Juliet, runway 32, line up and white traffic, Malibu, mile and a half final.
Keep coming down, don't flare high, keep coming down.
61 Juliet.
Keep coming down.
Tobago 170, you're being the traffic on final.
Left aileron, hold it.
No, I have the sun right in the direct view, 28170.
Back a little bit.
Alright, Tobago 170, you're very wide out there, turn your base now.
Turning base, 28170.
Stay on the rotor, let that
Wagon 1, Romeo Mike, make your left turn at Alpha 4, the left Alpha, and taxi back this frequency.
Alpha 4 Alpha, back this frequency, 1 Romeo Mike. Feel the crosswinds on the left, it tends to kind of get you all over the place. Very challenging. Make a left here, left on out.
1 Romeo Mike, appreciate minimum delay exiting, traffic on final, traffic in position.
Minimum delay, 1 Romeo Mike.
61 Juliet without delay, clear for takeoff, 128.017, cut 30.
On the roll, 32, 61 Juliet.
Malibu 9 Charlie X-ray, traffic on the departure, runway 32, clear to land.
Here we have the traffic cleared to land, 22 Charlie X-ray.
Woo, windy.
It's pushing.
Pushing. You got it? Power's good, you're good. Just stay on the brakes, make a left. Yeah, you're good.
Left?
Yeah, left and back to the runway, yeah.
I don't know why that's the error.
You want to try and fix it? You have the other card?
Take the controls.
My controls. You have the other card? I gave you another card. You have that?
Yeah.
Give you 2 cards. Try the other card.
Let's see.
After landing check. Flaps are up. Cowl flaps open. Tail wheels on lock. Strobes are off.
Malibu 9 Charlie X-ray, ready for?
Mixture is rich. Trim is set for the shelter.
Malibu 9 Charlie X-ray, right turn at golf, taxi to the ramp this frequency.
Right on go. Stay with you, 22.
Trim set for takeoff and transponder is ALT. Landing
Tobago 170, runway 32, clear to land, wind 30015, gust 30.
Is it a special SD card or any mini SD card should work?
Any SD card should work.
Any SD, right?
Alright, let's turn this one on. And let's see what happens.
You ready?
1 second.
We're going down, 014 Lima Tango, runway 32 Delta.
014 Lima Tango, Republic Tower, Sean.
Ultra 32 for Lima Tango.
That is funny. Never seen
The
that
SD
before.
card error?
Yeah.
It's recording now, though.
Now it's recording.
So maybe the SD card was not good, maybe? Wasn't a good SD card? I don't know, weird.
We'll see.
Maybe it had some recording on it, and I didn't.
No, I formatted the card.
Oh, you did get it clear.
Yeah,
Okay.
I formatted the card.
You formatted it, and it still gave you SDR.
It worked, and then it gave me an error. Let's see what happens with this.
How long did it take before you got the error on the card?
I didn't realize.
Didn't realize? Okay, cool. This one's recording. It's giving you 45 seconds now.
Yeah.
No. Again, there's the error.
Something's wrong with the cards.
Like Jules?
You got it?
Yeah, Chicago 170, you going Echo?
Echo, yes.
Try to reformat that one again.
170, exit at Alpha 4, right turn at Alpha, cross runway 1, taxi to the ramp
Turn it
entry.
off and turn it back
Try
on.
to reformat it again.
Alpha, cross runway 1, taxiing with you to 8120.
Let's see what happens. Repairing file. Interesting.
Huh.
Okay, let's see if it...
You know what? Based on this, I'm not very happy with the GoPro. Mine is pretty straightforward. Mine, it's just set it and forget it. It doesn't give me any of that stuff.
Could be there's a very, very slow card. The writing speed.
So basically, you need a specific card.
Yeah, I have a
You can't
card.
just get a regular, because the 16 gig on my camera works great on high definition 1080. I don't have 4K, but it's still pretty good quality.
Alright, let's call it, see what happens, whatever this thing. Okay, you keep an eye on it.
Is it recording now? Or?
No, it's repairing the file.
Oh, okay, let's do takeoffs and landings. Don't worry about the GoPro. We'll worry about it later.
Republic Tower, Skywalker November 1 Romeo Mike, holding short at 32 at Alpha, ready to take off. Stay in a pattern for landing.
Skywalker 1, Romeo Mike, wind 33021, gust 30, runway 32, clear for takeoff, make right traffic.
Clear for takeoff, right traffic, 1 Romeo Mike.
Clear for takeoff, right traffic. Finals clear. Come on, let's get the sunset. Sunset, sun's going away from us. Let's go, let's go. Sun is coming down.
Republic Tower,
This is
Whoa, what's happening? The wind is from the left, swinging the tail to the right.
Bravo.
Oh, it's very challenging.
80469 Republic Tower, join farm for runway 32 at the inner shoreline.
Okay, showing a final for runway 32 at the inner shoreline.
alright.
Yes, sir. Nice. Very nice takeoff. Beautiful takeoff. 100 miles an hour. Bring that nose up, trim nose up. Let's do it. There's the sunset. La, 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 la. That's a good picture. Turn a little bit to the left, little bit to the left. There you go. Look to the camera now. Oh, okay, that's good. I like it.
Right traffic. This is a beast. This is a beast.
You wanna fly the Skywagon? You got it, baby. You got it. Clear.
I didn't call it mid-down wind.
Turn right. On that your flap. And turn that one. And you can give him a call.
Ready to land? What I tell him?
Turn right, downwind. You see the runway? What's
Yeah.
the right? When you're sitting on the left side and you get the right downwind, it's much harder.
It's harder, yeah.
It's not as easy because it's hard to see.
Ready to land? What I tell him?
Skywagon 1 Romeo Mike on a right downwind, runway 32 for full stop.
Republic Tower, Skywalker November 1 Romeo Mike, right downwind for full stop.
Second Romeo Mike, runway 32, clear to land.
Runway 32, clear to land. 1 Romeo Mike.
Clear to land 32. Let's give another notch of flap and work on 80 miles an hour. Clear right.
Where's my runway?
That's a good time, 60 degrees, you're good, 60 degrees. Just watch that nose start coming down, trim nose down, and come down at 80 miles an hour. Very nice, trim 80. Oh man, look at that sun, beautiful. We picked the perfect time of the day to go out there and fly.